Hi everyone, I hope you're doing well. My name is Daniel Carreon, and today I'm excited to teach you about one of my favorite topics, basic math operations, addition and subtraction. Before we begin, let's quickly review some basic ideas. There are four basic math operations: addition, subtraction, multiplication, and division. Today we'll focus on how to perform addition and subtraction. Multiplication and division are slightly more advanced, so we'll explore them in another video. Let's start with addition. Addition is an arithmetic operation where we combine numbers to get a total. It's represented by the plus sign. Let's identify the parts of an addition problem. Here we have an addition example. These numbers are called addends. Between them is the plus sign, and the answer is called the sum or total. Let's look at some examples to make this clear. First, we have 35 plus 12. We start by adding the ones. 5 plus 2 equals 7. Next, we add the tens. 3 plus 1 equals 4. So the sum is 47. Now let's add 46 plus 38. First, the ones. 6 plus 8 equals 14. We write down the 4 and carry over the 1. Now add the tens. 1 plus 4 plus 3 equals 8. The final answer is 84. Next, we have 785 plus 457. Starting with the ones. 5 plus 7 equals 12. Write down 2 and carry over the 1. Now the tens. 1 plus 8 plus 5 equals 14. Write down 4 and carry over the 1. Finally, the hundreds. 1 plus 7 plus 4 equals 12. Since there are no more numbers, the final answer is 1,242. Super easy, right? Here's another example. 53 plus 21 plus 49. Starting with the ones. 3 plus 1 plus 9 equals 13. Write down 3 and carry over the 1. Now the tens. 1 plus 5 plus 2 plus 4 equals 12. So the sum is 123. Now let's add 153 plus 312 plus 495. Start with the ones. 3 plus 2 plus 5 equals 10. Write down 0 and carry over the 1. Tens. 1 plus 5 plus 1 plus 9 equals 16. Write down 6 and carry over the 1. Hundreds. 1 plus 1 plus 3 plus 4 equals 9. The total is 960. Lastly, let's add 789 plus 987 plus 655. We start by adding the ones. 9 plus 7 plus 5 equals 21. Write down 1 and carry over the 2 tens. 2 plus 8 plus 8 plus 5 equals 23. Write down 3 and carry over the 2 hundreds. 2 plus 7 plus 9 plus 6 equals 24. The final sum is 2,431. Super easy, right? Now let's learn about subtraction. Subtraction means taking away or reducing one number by another, and it's represented by the minus sign. Let's identify the parts of a subtraction problem. Here we have a subtraction example. First number is called the minuend, followed by the minus sign. The number we're subtracting is called the subtrahend. The answer is called the difference. Let's see some examples to make this clear. First, let's subtract 12 from 35. Start with the ones. 5 minus 2 equals 3. Tens, 3 minus 1 equals 2. The difference is 23. Now 48 minus 38. Ones. 8 minus 8 equals 0. Tens, 4 minus 3 equals 1. So the answer is 10. Next, 785 minus 457. Start with the ones. We can't subtract 7 from 5, so we borrow 1 from the tens. The 5 becomes 15, and the 8 and tens becomes 7. Now, 15 minus 7 equals 8. Tens, 7 minus 5 equals 2. Hundreds, 7 minus 4 equals 3. The answer is 328. Let's try a few more challenging examples. First, 726 minus 537. start with the ones. We can't subtract 7 from 6, so borrow 1 from the tens. The 6 becomes 16, and the 2 becomes 1. 16 minus 7 equals 9. Tens, we can't subtract 3 from 1, so borrow 1 from the hundreds. The 1 becomes 11, and the 7 becomes 6. 11 minus 3 equals 8. Hundreds, 6 minus 5 equals 1. The difference is 189. Now we have 450 minus 173. Let's start with the ones place. We can't subtract 3 from 0, so the 5 in the tens place lends 1 to the ones place. Now the 0 becomes 10, and the 5 turns into 4 because it lent 1. Now we can subtract. 10 minus 3 equals 7. Next, in the tens place, we can't subtract 7 from 4, so we borrow 1 from the hundreds place. The 4 becomes 14, and the 4 in the hundreds place turns into 3 because it lent 1. Now we subtract. 14 minus 7 equals 7. Finally, in the hundreds place, 3 minus 1 equals 2. So, our difference is 277. Super easy, right? Lastly, let's subtract 1,895 from 7,000. Starting from the ones, we can't subtract 5 from 0. The tens digit is also 0, and the hundreds digit is 0 as well. Here's what happens, so pay close attention. We borrow from the thousands. The 7 becomes 6, and the first 0 becomes 10. This 10 lends 1 to the next 0, turning it into 10, while the first 10 becomes 9 because it lent 1. The second 10 then lends 1 to the last 0, turning it into 10. And the second 10 becomes 9 because it lent 1. Now we subtract. 10 minus 5 equals 5. Next, 9 minus 9 equals 0. Then, 9 minus 8 equals 1. Finally, 6 minus 1 equals 5. The final answer is 5,105. Super easy, right? Now I'm going to leave you some exercises. Can you answer them? I hope to see your answers in the comments. I hope you enjoyed this topic. Please give me a like, leave a comment, share it, and subscribe so you can keep watching my videos. See you next time. Bye-bye.